Welcome to the channel. If you're here, you're probably interested in learning English. You're in the right place.
Emma, today's topic is very interesting. Many teachers struggle with teaching English in a simple way.
Yes, that is true. Some teachers make it too difficult for students.
Why do you think that happens?
I think they focus too much on grammar rules, not real communication.
That is a good point. Grammar is important, but not the first step.
Yes, students need to understand meaning first.
Today, we are talking about teaching English using movement and stories.
That sounds fun. Movement means students do actions, right?
Exactly. For example, stand up, sit down, open the door.
Oh, yes. That helps students understand without translation.
When students move, they remember better.
I agree. The body helps the brain learn.
That is the idea behind total physical response.
TPR is very interesting. It makes learning active.
Emma, when you were a student, did you learn like this?
Not really. I mostly learned from books.
Same here. That is why this method feels different.
Yes, it feels more natural.
Let's talk about stories now.
Okay, stories are very powerful.
When you teach with stories, students follow meaning, not words.
Yes, and they don't get bored easily.
Exactly. A story creates emotion.
And emotion helps memory.
For example, instead of teaching eat, you say, John eats an apple.
Yes, that is much easier to understand.
And you can act it out with movement.
That combines story and action together.
This is the real power of TPR.
I like that idea a lot.
Emma, let's go deeper. How should a teacher start a TPR lesson?
I think they should start with simple commands.
Like what?
Stand up, sit down, walk, stop.
Yes, very simple language.
Students can follow even without translation.
And repetition is important.
Yes, but not boring repetition.
Right. It should feel like a game.
Teachers can also change speed.
Good idea. Slow, fast, then normal.
That keeps students alert.
Emma, what about mistakes?
Mistakes are normal. Students learn from them.
Exactly. We should not stop them too much.
Just guide them gently.
Now, let's connect this to storytelling.
Okay, I am ready.
After commands, the teacher builds a story.
Like a simple story with actions?
Yes. For example, Sarah opens the door. Sarah walks to the kitchen.
That is very visual.
Students can act it out.
That makes learning alive.
And the teacher repeats the story with variation.
So students hear the same structure many times?
Exactly. That builds fluency naturally.
I think this is better than memorizing lists.
I agree. Lists are weak without context.
Context gives meaning.
And meaning creates memory. Emma, let's highlight a useful sentence for teachers.
Yes, good idea.
Open the door is a command sentence.
Yes, it is very direct.
In grammar, this is called an imperative sentence.
That is important for teachers to know.
Another example is close the book.
Simple and clear.
Teachers should use action verbs first.
Yes, verbs like run, sit, stand, eat.
Pronunciation tip, stress the verb clearly.
Yes, like stand up or sit down.
By the way, what do you think about teaching with movement?
Yes, tell us in the comments.
Have you ever experienced this method?
We would love to know your experience.
Emma, I think this is a good point to pause part 1.
Yes, we have more to discuss in storytelling and classroom problems.
And also how teachers can manage big classes.
That will be very interesting.
Today was a great start.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next part.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.